name is Ryan Ingram.
My name is Riley.
And we'd like to welcome students, parents, and teachers.
My name is Weston. My name is Trenton. Please rise for the presentation of colors. My name is Luke. Please join us in saying the pledge of allegiance. Attention, salute, pledge. Hi, my name is Lee. Please join us in saluting the Oklahoma flag salute. Attention, salute, pledge. My name is Charles Martin. Please join us in singing the patriotic song of the Lions. In reciting the Woodlands Creed. Ready, begin. My name is Mackenzie Levin. My name is Jeremy. Please join us in a minute of silence. Thank you. Hi, my name is Emma. You may be seated. Cheese bread, marinara sauce, seasoned black beans, cherry tomatoes, broccoli, steamed apple slices.
Why did the student eat his homework?
Because the teacher said it was a piece of cake. My name is Jackson. In class, we were learning about different types of fetal definitions. Here are how to draw words and phrases with the meaning. Our class will now share some examples.
A silly comparison of two things using one grass. For example, it is boring to watch a paint dry.
He is as fast as a cheetah.
My grandpa is as tough as nails.
The chimney is as black as coal.
A metaphor is also a comparison of two things not using like or as. Examples. You are my light of my life.
Her voice was music to my ears. The An idiom is an expression with a meaning that is only known through common use. For example, crack a book.
Break a leg.
A hyperbole is an exaggeration in phrases a point. An example is, the car went faster than the speed of light.
He is older than the hills.
I have a million things to do today.
Personification gives human characteristics to non-human objects, animals, or ideas.
The flowers waltzed in the gentle breeze.
The fire swallowed the entire forest. The sun smiled down at me. Hi, my name is Hannah. We will now turn the exhibit over to Mr. Williams.
Good morning, Woodlands Wildcats.
Good morning, Mr. Williams.
It is Friday, February 8th. Is this the 8th? 2019 at Woodlands Elementary School. I think the day out yesterday kind of messed up a bunch of stuff, including what date is it? So, hey, we're glad that you're here this morning. Mrs. Lively's 4th grade class, excellent job on your assembly. I was in their classroom the other day when they were making these posters, and they had some awesome examples of each of these on their posters, and they worked really hard doing research and talking about different examples of similes and metaphors and personifications and all of that. Excellent, excellent job. Mrs. Fisher is coming to give our Roar Award for the week.
Good morning. Thank you so much. I have Miss McClellan presenting the Roar Award this morning.
Okay, so I chose a student that I had in 2nd grade and haven't had him since, but I watched him and he's been doing amazing. He's showing diligence, which means that he's working, he perseveres. And he is also one of our vocab words this week, amiable, which means he's always friendly and inclusive. And it is Jagger's Love. Congratulations.
Thanks so much. Way to go, guys.
Congratulations, Jagger. Good work. Hey, yesterday we missed a staff birthday, and I think it's kind of cool that she had the day off work for her birthday. Mrs. Magnus, would you come on up? And get your birthday tiara and boa. What color would you like? You can always find which teacher had the birthday today because you can follow the feathers to the school and find where they are. Let's do our birthday song for Mrs. Magnus. Ready, go! And I will be bringing you your birthday sonic drink later today. So happy, happy birthday. All right. Okay, yesterday was supposed to have been lunch with a friend for 2nd and 5th grades, so we will do that today. So if you were going to have lunch with a friend yesterday with your wild cards 2nd and 5th graders, we will do that today at lunch. The book fair, the preview day for book fair was supposed to be yesterday, and we'd said that we were going to skip that. Well, we changed that. We are going to have a preview day today. Here's how it's going to work. Here's how it's going to work. Teachers, you had signed up for preview time yesterday. If that same time works for you today, with special schedules and all of that, if that same preview time works today, go at that time today. If students brought money to spend, they can go ahead and purchase today as well. All right? If that same time does not work today, which for some of you it may not, if it does not work, see Mrs. Graham, and she will work out a time with you. All right? So that's what we're going to do with Book Fair. It is open for business. Parent-teacher conferences were supposed to be last night. Teachers will be in contact with parents about rescheduling those. And Tuesday they are on as usual. And Parents, remember we've got an online survey going on. We would love for you to go online, take just a few minutes, 12 questions, real quick, to take that survey. We'll have Chromebooks out at parent-teacher conferences for you to take that, and we appreciate your help there. The students, we've got one day, and then we have the weekend, and so make sure that today you take a book so that you can be reading over the weekend and continuing to work on those AR goals. Hey, it's going to be a great day of fun and learning and Woodlands Elementary. Oh, wait, have a seat. We've got class awards over here. Don't go anywhere yet. All right, sorry about that. All right, I thought I was forgetting something. Something from the major. All right, so we have class awards to give this morning, and remember, if you are the Wildcat of the Week for your class, you will be the student that comes and gets it for your class. The first award that we have is a sparkling dustpan. And that award goes to the class that does the very best job keeping their class shining and sparkling and clean, helping our custodians' jobs be easier. And the sparkling dustpan this week goes to a primary class. It goes to a kindergarten class. And it goes to Mrs. Courtney. So send the Wildcat of the Week on up to get the sparkling dustpan from Winston. All right, let's give them our sparkling dustpan celebration. All right, our golden tray goes to the class that does the best job following all of our cafeteria procedures. And this week, the golden tray goes to an intermediate class. And it goes to a third grade class. And it goes to Mrs. Jondro. And while they're coming to get the golden tray from Winston, Gabriel will come on down. Let's give them our golden tray celebration. Ready, go! All right, and while Gabriel is coming down to get that, it is time to count out Spirit Shorts. In the Woodlands shirt, Wild Cat shirts, the red shirt, or maybe blue shirt. We are counting the percentages. If your class has 50% or more participation, would you please stand up? If you have 60% or more, please stay standing. Lost a bunch. 70% or more? 80% or more? Ms. Lively's class, how many did you all have? How much? All right, congratulations.